What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Jacob here with Life Outdoors. Today I've got this beautiful boat right here behind me. This is the River Rat Pro Series inflatable drift boat from River Rat USA, and we're taking it on its inaugural float. First ever. Gonna see how she does on the water. We've heard nothing but great things and we are super excited. It's low water today. We're out in Tillamook area. Don't really expect to catch any fish, but more so just getting out for a nice day on the water. Weather's perfect. I got AJ here from Outdoors with AJ. He's gonna be running the front, hopefully catching some fish, and we're gonna see what we get into, but super stoked to get this day started. It's gonna be a blast out here with the River Rat Pro Series. Let's get it. Guys, first fish of the boat. Look at that, absolute stud. Holy cow. Oh, looks like a pretty one. And swims off. Nice.
Nice.
Wow, what a tank for the first one.
We didn't blank.
Didn't blank.
The boat will never be blank.
Woo! All right, let's go home. It's a great one.
Dude, that's a nice fish.
That's a great fish.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah! Now that's a proper fish. Look at that cutthroat.
Yeah, dude.
That's a great one.
That's nice.
Woo! Ate the golden spoon. Heck yeah. You want to get a release video on them? Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
I want one as big as yours now. That was freaking sweet.
That was sick.
That was a great fish. Oh, missed another. Oh, tiny one.
Hey.
Get off of there. Hop off. Hop off. Okay. That to me looks like a young steelhead. Little baby. Easier without the anchor behind you.
There's always gotta be one in the boat, right?
Last cast. Solid float.
Yeah, dude. Successful all around.
Yep. Boat test. Got a couple fish in.
Yep.
New PB for you.
Yep.
In Oregon. No complaints. I am float right there. Super solid day out on the water. AJ ended up catching personal best fish in Oregon.
Yeah.
Which was pretty sweet. Oh man. All right, y'all. We are back at the house now. Such an awesome first float with this boat. The River Rat did her thing. And I think I actually have a name picked out. It was brought up by Murphy, one of the fish boys. And it's Muskrat. And I think that would just be the perfect name for this boat. So from this day forth, this right here is Muskrat. Super stoked to have this boat. Huge thank you again to River Rat USA for believing in the channel. We cannot wait to get this on the water in Montana next month. We've got 4 days of big floats planned and an extra 5th day of a smaller float. Tons of water to cover, lots of species to target, big browns, big cutties. Just gonna be a blast. Early October fishing, leaves are changing, weather's not too cold yet. It's gonna be good as it can get. So thanks again for watching this episode. Wasn't too long of an episode, but at least we got the boat broken in. And yeah, just thankful for this opportunity and can't wait to share more content in the Muskrat with you guys. Catch you on the next one. Peace.